Protein balls are all the rage. There are so many different ways of making them, and these ones are extra special because they're carrot cake inspired. Now, for the base, we need to start with a really good quality muesli. Now, this is a muesli that I have most mornings, but I also use it to make these delicious carrot cake inspired balls. This one has oats, honey, macadamias, and yummy cranberries through it. So we're going to add about a quarter of a cup to half a cup into a food processor. And to really accentuate the nuts throughout this, I've got a combination of almonds and some walnuts. You can use whatever extra nut you like. I like the extra nuts for that texture. To this, I'm going to add a pinch of cardamom, and you can change up the spices. You can keep it as simple as a pinch of nutmeg or just cinnamon. The cardamom, though, gives it a little something special. So in with our cinnamon, and that's the dry ingredients to start with. So we're going to pop the lid on and blend this until a crumb forms. All right, that's looking fantastic. So in with the next ingredients. This is when I like to add some coconut and the all-important carrot, one carrot that I've just grated, and for some extra sweetness, and this is almost like the glue that's going to bind it together, some dates. So I've taken the seed out of it and I'm just going to break them up. And last but not least, a little splash of vanilla extract. Okay, lid goes on and we're going to give it another blitz. Now, I like to blitz it for about a minute or two. We want this to form into almost like a dough. Excellent. See how it's all sticky and dough-like? Grab about tablespoon sizes of this mixture and just roll it in your hands. What we're trying to form here are some beautiful little balls, just like that. So what I have over here is some melted white chocolate. Place them in, just coat them, and then with another spoon I'm going to take it out and drain the excess off. This is the perfect opportunity, while it's still sticky, to add a garnish. Now you can add some fresh carrot, or I've got some extra coconut and got lots of muesli, so a little sprinkle of the muesli over the top. How cute are they? All right, I'm gonna make a few more of these, chill them in the fridge, and then they're ready to taste. I am so impressed with the way these have turned out. Simple muesli turned into these delicious carrot cake inspired protein balls.